Mulberry Lofts. You gonna go down the stairs? Or start on the basement? Mulberry Lofts. Start in the basement. We could take the elevator to the basement. Let's do that. It's got a nice courtyard. And an elevator right here. Go ahead, take it down to B.
Only firemen do that.
Yeah, only firemen do that.
Down the basement.
Okay. I'll hear it. Hear it?
We do the basement.
Yeah, we'll go down the basement. Get ready. Here it is. Alright, I think it's LL for lower level. Let's see. Lower level. On G.
That's the basement.
Down to the basement.
Basement.
See if there's any smoke detectors in the basement.
This one.
Oh, there is one.
Look, take the basement.
That's a smoke detector in the basement. Let's watch the doors close. Alright, let's see if there's any toilets down here. Elevator machine room. Wow. There's a restroom.
You want it?
It's got blue water?
Yeah.
What kind is it? A ProFlow. Let's go back up. No, this way.
The elevator again?
Get him, Alan. Not that way. Ooh, it's a little chilly down here. Oh. Go up?
Go up the elevator.
Alright, go up the elevator.
There you go.
Then why'd you go the other way? We gotta go this way. Here we go. Up and turn the light off. I'm gonna go press the elevator button. Here it is.
Look.
Alright, now what floor?
City.
Go to G. Alright, now close rear door. Yeah? There it is. Yeah?
Too high put it.
It's too high to test it. Alright. Now back up the stairs. This one has a urinal. Here it is. Oh, yeah? Let's see. What kind of urinal is it?
Mansfield.
You're gonna flush it? Back it up. All right, do the toilet. Baby do the urinal. That's another ProFlow. Oh, we flush at the same time. That's cool. Now go use the elevator again. And let's go up. Going up. Go this way. There's the elevator. Now I think we're on 1 because we walked up the stairs. Now go up to 2.
I pushed it, maybe.
Yeah, I pushed it. I pushed it harder. See what's up on 2? Yeah. Here we go. Up to 2. Let's see what's up there. See what's up on 2. Oh, here we go. Going up. What door do you think 2 will be?
This one.
This one? We'll see. Might be this one. Might be the other one. We don't know. Oh,
This one.
found it.
This one.
Here we are on 2. Go see their toilet. There it goes. Found it. What kind is it?
Photo.
That's another ProFlow.
A whiteboard.
Alright, let's go see. There it goes. I see, that's very nice.
Until B.
Uh-huh.
B.
We'll go up to 3. Let's go.
Nope.
Yes?
Yeah. No, not this way.
No, we got one more. One more potty on 3.
Done.
And then we're all done potties, but we got one more.
More.
Push the button. Up to 3. Going up. Press it harder. Alright, here we go.
This
3. Which door do you think 3 will be?
one.
This one. Okay, let's see.
It's red.
Mm-hmm.
Red elevator.
It's a red elevator with a blue walls because it's under construction.
This one.
Here we are. Oh, this one's under construction. It's nice and warm up here.
There's a pipe under this. Right there.
Yeah, the potty's not under construction. The potty works.
Pipe.
What kind is it?
Photo.
Oh, the ProFlow. Another ProFlow. See it? Alright, let's go see. Let's go see if the other elevator works. Might not work, but we might just look at it. Might just look at the other elevator. Oh, look, we can see the courtyard. And all the buildings. Here's the old green door. See it? See the old door? Alright, you gotta hold someone's hand up here. It's under construction. They got all the drywall ready. They're gonna put it up. And then this will be a little school. Isn't that cool? My daddy's gotta hold you. Yeah, because we're gonna see if it works. I don't think it's there. So it might work. No. Yeah, I think it's off. No, I think it's. Yeah, too dark. Oh, you found another potty? Here, Daddy, take this. I found the Kohler potty. Here, Daddy, take this.
What is Kohler?
Oh, the Kohler?
What
Kohler
kind?
Daddy Potty.
Oh, it is a Kohler potty. Yes, it is. It's a pretty good flush. Oh, Mansfield safe. Yeah.
And the Kohler Potty.
And Kohler
And
potty.
the Kohler Daddy Potty.
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
Say bye-bye, YouTube. Bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye bye, me too.